Okay, guys, today we're going to learn about solving rational equations. And rational equations, and the word rational has been our unit um, for the past couple of lessons. Rational just means a fraction. So a rational equation is an equation that contains at least one rational expression. We can solve these by eliminating the denominator. To do this, we cross multiply or multiply each numerator by the denominator, by the LCD, which you guys learned on your Edpuzzle last time. So your first step is to factor the numerator and denominator if possible. Step 2, get a least common denominator. And multiply to each numerator. Or if the two fractions are equal to each other, you can just cross multiply. Step 3 is to combine like terms and simplify. And step 4 is just solve for x, solve for the variable. So let's do a couple of these problems. If I get cut off, I'll just do another video. You guys know the drill. First step is factor the denominator and the numerator. In this case, for number 1, everything's factored, so I'm good. So you first need an LCD. So an LCD means you need one of each. So I need an x minus 3. I need an x plus 3. I need an x minus 3, which I already have, and I need an x plus 3, which I already have. So I'm done. So now I'm going to take that LCD and multiply it to every numerator. That's step 2. And I'm going to cross out the denominators are on top and bottom. So the x minus 3's cancel, the x plus 3's cancel, and everything cancels. So you're left with 1 times x plus 3 plus 3 times x minus 3 is equal to 2. And now you just have to simplify. So you distribute to each term. So this is just x plus 3. Distribute to each term. 3x minus 9 equals 2. Combine your like terms, which gives you 4x minus 6 is equal to 2. Add 6 to both sides, you get 4x is equal to 8, which means x is equal to 2. And then you have to just state your excluded value. So whatever is on the denominator cannot equal 0. So x minus 3 cannot equal 0, which means x cannot equal 3. That's your restricted values. And same thing here, x plus 3 cannot equal 0. You would subtract 3. So x cannot equal negative 3. So those are your restricted values, and you have to check your work. So this didn't equal either of those, so you're good to go. You guys try number 2. When I upload the answer key, I will have the answers for each uploaded, so you guys will be able to check your work. For an example 2, the nice thing about this one is that you can just cross multiply here. You have two fractions that are equal to each other, so you can kind of skip all the steps and just cross multiply. So 2 times x plus 4 is equal to 3 times x plus 1, which gives you the 2x because you distribute. 2x plus 8 is equal to 3x minus 3. Subtract 2x, add 3, and you get x is equal to 11. And again, you still have to state your excluded values, which would be in the denominator. So x, it's kind of like your evil one side. X can equal negative 1 or negative 4. And again, if you were confused on that, you would just set them each not equal to 0, and you would solve. Okay. I'm going to stop this recording here, and then I will do the next one in the next video. Okay, guys?